Hi everyone, I'm Anya, and today I just wanted to share a part of my story. Not because I've made it yet, but because I believe hard work always has a story worth telling. You see, I wasn't born with a silver spoon. No shortcuts, no big contacts, no overnight success. I was just a regular girl with big dreams and not much else. Growing up, I watched my parents work day and night to give me a better life. They didn't complain. They just did what had to be done. I guess that's where I learned my first lesson. If you want something, work for it. I still remember being 15, waking up at 4 a.m. to study before school. Not because anyone told me to, but because I wanted to change my life. College was tough. I couldn't afford to just focus on studies. I worked part-time at a cafe, did tutoring in the evenings, and still tried to top my exams. Was I tired? All the time. Did I want to quit? So many times. But I held on, because I believed something better was waiting for me on the other side of that struggle. People doubted me. You work too hard. You'll burn out. Relax a little. They didn't see the dreams I saw, but I wasn't working to prove them wrong. I was working to prove myself right. Slowly, things started to change. I got a scholarship, then an internship, then my first real job. And now I'm here, still hustling, still learning, but one step closer to the life I imagined. Look, I'm not perfect. I've failed. I've cried. But you know what's stronger than failure? Consistency. Hard work might not give you results today or tomorrow, but one day it does. Every late night, every early morning, every time you show up when no one else does, it adds up. If you're watching this and you're tired or struggling or feel like your dreams are too far, just know I've been there. And I promise your hard work will pay off. Maybe not now, maybe not the way you expect, but it will. Keep going, because in the end, hard work always finds a way. Thank you for listening to my story. If this connected with you, give it a like and share it with someone who needs a little push today. And remember, don't wait for luck. Build your own. See you in the next video. Stay strong.